Welcome to the Ali2Woo YouTube channel. It's all about dropshipping business from AliExpress using Ali2Woo plugin, an excellent solution for dropshippers. In this video episode, we'll give you a list of the best product ideas. Use this to succeed during Christmas and the first quarter of 2020. Please note, we have recorded this video as a quick guide for those who need to launch a dropshipping store rapidly during this period. Also, it should be helpful if you already have a store and need to choose the products that will be profitable during Christmas. However, if you need a text post about Christmas and want to get in-depth information about each product, please read the article in our dropshipping blog. The link will be added below to the description of this video. So, let's get started. The first niche on our list is toys. Kid stuff like toys and clothes always make great Christmas gifts, and there's always lots to choose from. The next idea in our list refers to the pets category. This has become popular and includes pet toys, pet clothes, and treats. This is an amazing category for Christmas dropshipping. Another niche is personalized gifts. Take, for example, jewelry with engraved names and messages like, "For my loved one," "For my girlfriend," "For my boyfriend," etc. This category usually makes most of the money in quarter 4 and Christmas. The next product on our list is Christmas merchandise. It's an obvious choice. This includes Christmas decorations, wrapping paper, Christmas sticks, Christmas lights for your tree or house, and any other similar do well too. Kitchen appliances and cooking tools. We mean products such as blenders, cooking boxes, you name it, anything in the cooking category. People buy a lot of gifts that are related to cooking at this time of year, so remember this category is excellent over this period. The travel category is always a traditional gift favorite. Travel bags and passport covers in different colors, textures, and patterns are a great choice too. Choose products that look a little prettier that stand out more than items from Walmart for a classy, extra special present that will sell well. The alcohol industry is most lucrative over the festive period. A massive seller at this time of the year. Please note, you will not be selling alcohol. We're talking about top-selling items like wine glass sets, bottle openers, etc. They usually make great sales, as people like to drink when it's Christmas or over a festive celebratory time, so bear that in mind too. The beauty industry is always a top seller. The more unusual beauty products, such as face suckers, the pore vacuum that removes unsightly blackheads, was massive during Christmas last year. Makeup products, such as body enhancements, waist trainers, and bum lifters. These products always sell well because people want to look their best during Christmas time. Electronics are another strong category. People always crave to have these products yearly, and something new is always available. Wireless chargers and speakers, phone cases and watches, they all continually sell well every year and never fail to please. Christmas is for gadgets. The gadgets category makes great presents and stocking fillers, so things like phones and tablets. For example, you can buy phones and tablets on AliExpress that have no trademark and are not patented, and you can sell them. You may worry as it's not a branded name, but remember, gadgets are a big seller for Christmas. Therefore, we would add this category to the list. Clothing remains a popular gift. People often buy it ahead of the colder weather. Mittens, scarves, hats, and other festive clothing do well. Please note, when you buy on AliExpress, you need to get the correct size charts for the US, UK, and European markets, or else you may have high return rates. Beware, as the sizes from China can be incorrect and confusing, so make sure you contact the suppliers and tell them you need the US, UK, and European size charts. Stationery items are great. They make excellent stocking fillers and presents. Christmas is the biggest seller for notebooks and calendars for the next year, so 2021 calendars do well now. Find calendars that are really cool and have a different approach than Walmart's calendars. And now we want to give you a bonus. We know that many dropshippers want to learn about new products regularly. Therefore, we have launched a unique service that will show you exciting products. You can register for it on the main page of Ali2Woo.com. The Ali2Woo team wishes you a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
And we would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel to receive more useful information about dropshipping. Thank you.